Hello, everyone. Welcome to Letting Go the Labels of Being a Woman. Thank you so much. This is Suruchi Hirawat. Thank you so much for joining in. We'll be using a access clearing statement. For those of you who are new, who has never heard about access, the clearing statement is right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nine shots, boys and beyond. So what does this clearing statement actually do? When I ask you a question, or when somebody asks you a question, an energy comes up. When even if you're thinking, an energy comes up with whatever you're thinking about. So that is an energy. With this clearing statement, what we are going to do is we are going to clear all those energies which is coming in our way for our creation, for our art. For example, I say, what do you mean? What is your definition of being a woman? So you will have your thoughts coming up, you'll have some energy coming up, something will come up. So it will be, sometimes it will be cognitive, sometimes it will just be an energetic energy. So then I says, okay, everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it all? And if you say yes, then I use this clearing statement, okay, right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nine shots, boys and beyond. So what did I do? Whenever you formed a definition, whenever you thought about what being a woman is about, at any age, any time, at any circumstances, with this clearing statement, I took that seeds away and cleared it. The more, if you would like to know about the clearing statement, Google the clearing statement by Dr. Dane Heer, where he's given a 20 minutes video. He explained each word, what right means, what wrong means, the whole thing about it. So do that, see that, and I will not take much time in explaining that. So in case if you would like to know, it's the clearing statement by Dr. Dane Heer. Google it and see that video. So now it's the labels of being a woman. So how many of you are happy being a woman? How many of you feel it's a burden? Please unmute and say, because see, the thing is, the more you say, the more energy it will be. Yeah.
I'm very happy being a woman.
You're happy being a woman. Are you using every benefits of being a woman to your advantage?
Sorry?
Are
Sorry?
you using all the advantage of being a woman?
In the sense,
In the sense, you're a woman. Are you flirting with men easily? Just after marriage also, are you flirting or you're not flirting?
I'm not married and no, I'm not flirting.
So okay. So what is the point of view then? If you flirt, if you're married or if you're committed or if you're in a relationship, if you flirt with other men, what is the point of view?
It depends on the person to person.
Yeah, it depends from person to person, but how much people stop. If you see people who are married, okay, I'm
Yeah.
speaking of marriage, like, okay, if you see people married, they stop being themselves because
Yeah.
now they have a role to play, they have a
Yes.
designation to play, they are women, their responsibility to behave in a certain way. So all those,
Yes, I've seen many doing that.
yeah, men also. See,
Yeah, yeah.
it's everywhere. So it's a label that we keep putting on ourselves. It's a job description which we keep putting ourselves, which take the essence of who we be. It's in everything that you be before being a male or a female. Gender is just the way people will notice you. But what is that part of you that you stop, you have given up? Because here we are talking about women, because you're a woman and you need to behave, you need to do a certain way. So all those labels, all those projections, all those expectations, separation, rejection, judgments that people put on you the time you get married, can you
No,
now
but
go
even believe me,
back?
even without being married, I have that label. She's not married, or she's talking to my husband. So
Yes,
when if
I
you
will let
are
go the
being
labels.
friendly,
Yes, Suchitra, you're right there. Let go the woman label. See, I am woman, so I'm married, so I'm just taking little my side, and then I'll come to your side also. Okay, so all the projections, expectations, separations, rejection, judgment that people have put on you, the time you get
yeah.
married, will you all now, or you have put on others the time they get married? It's a two-way street. We keep putting, we keep buying, we keep passing that shit. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create and let it go out of your system?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nine short business, because it will give you a choice. It's not that I need to flirt with everyone, but I will not jail myself with that label. It's
No,
my choice. Everybody's different personality. Somebody likes talking with a smile.
exactly.
Somebody doesn't like talking
No,
about.
even I like talking. I like talking to, both females and males. But I've seen if I talk to a male, and though I'm a senior citizen now, but in spite of that, when I talk to a male and I laugh and talk, a joke, something, and his wife, more than some, in one case, it was not the wife, it was somebody else. Other people were taking objection. Why is she talking?
So it is.
So,
It, that's the thing. It's all the labels, energetic labels people put. Oh my God, she's being so carefree. She
right.
doesn't have a reputation. It's like it comes to a reputation. So you have to maintain that reputation because you're a woman, right? Whether you're unmarried or married.
Yeah, and I'm not. No, they feel that she's not married, so she must be after my husband. Why is she talking to my husband like that?
These are the labels.
So that label comes there.
These are the energetic labels that when we keep getting from people, what we do, we stop being us, because we are done fighting with those labels. We are done proving people what we are and what we are not, and directly, indirectly, we align to it or react to it. Either which ways, we buy it as in our system, and that stands in a polarity of a right and wrong in your universe. So everywhere you're fighting
Right.
the label or you're buying that label as yours, can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create, and let it go from your system for now and all eternity?
Yes.
Right and wrong,
Yes.
all nine version. It's the same thing. If the man he's like hitting on me, he must have some agenda with me. It's the same. It's
Yeah.
not true. It's like everywhere you're going into reaction. See what we do, we go into a reaction when people judge. But when you're reacting, you are controlled by them because they can monitor you and you react. What if you don't have to react? And when will you not react? When you don't have any judgment, any undercurrent about it. So what is the underlining current we have about this judgment? Because somewhere we believe it, either it's true or somewhere we have resisted so much that is still subtle in our universe that we get to react rather than act. See, everywhere if you're reacting as a label that people put, how many times in work people say, hey, you can't do this because it's not a woman's job. How much that we agree and fight it for. So all the labels that your parents have put on you, it may read to someone, it may not read to someone. It is not applicable to everyone because some parents may not have treated you like a girl child and they may have treated you like a boy child. But all the labels that we or your parents have put on you of what you can do in life, what you cannot do in life, what is a safe job for you, what is not a safe job for you, will you all, wherever you agreed and aligned, resisted and reacted and still bought it as yours, can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all? Times a gazillion. Right and wrong,
Yes.
one pop, all nine short person. And so my question is, if there was no gender bias, if there was nothing called gender, right now, what would you be doing? Would you be doing the same thing that you're doing right now, or would you have chosen something different?
Something different.
What would that be, Suchita?
Being a little more friendly with people irrespective of their gender, having a healthy relationship without there being some other hidden thought of other people. Because there are times when people tell me, like, you're talking like that, other people are thinking like that, you should not talk, you should not behave like that. So it plays
on. People judge you, Suchitra, can you see when people judge you, right? They can judge you because right now you're a woman or whatever, the men, whatever. When they judge you, because somewhere they so desire to do that and they're not giving themselves the permission to do that. That's the reason
exactly
you do it and I can't do it. So the tool to it, interesting point of view, they have a point of view. What if you start flirting, playing, joking, whatever you feel like, and say, hey, I don't have a gender. How will I reach out to this person? So it takes the definition, it takes the energy which is placed on each gender, because it's the same with men and women. See, men, people say, oh, it's just a man. Oh, you have a boy, you're so lucky. Why? Because if my daughter flirts and she gets pregnant, I have to deal with it. You have a man, you have a boy, he doesn't need to deal with it. I was like, very interesting point of view. If this is the message, if you give to your boys that you can do anything and get away from it, what is the message are you giving? And where are you making women such a low denominator in the situation? But we do it. We educated people also do it. When it comes to our daughters, when it comes to our people, we say, hey, It's a man's world. You can't be like that. You can't do like that. So knowingly, unknowingly, to protect people, to safeguard, we label them. So everywhere, all the labels that you have bought from the people who love you in the name of love, and everywhere you're fighting for and against, because it restricts you to be you, but because it was given to you at the time you were like a teen, and now that time it was fine, but at the time you become older, it haunts you, because somewhere it makes you feel that you're wrong, that wrongness
Yeah, it
attached to
makes you
it.
feel, yeah.
So all the wrongness and the rightness attached to all the labels that people gave to you the time you were young, at whatever age that has been, and everywhere you are still operating from those points of views, thoughts, feelings, emotions, no thoughts, no feelings, emotions, sex, no sex, and fighting for and against to maintain a reputation, the so-called reputation, what people should see you as. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate all times ago?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad,
Yes.
one fork, all nine short version. Everywhere you have sold that thing, the same lie to others. Can you free them also, please?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, one fork, all nine short version. It's like an MV thing. If I am in a cage, I want everybody else to be in a cage. So I will make a beautiful cage for you. I am in a cage of iron. Okay, I love you. I'll make a cage of diamond, but you stay in that cage. It's the same thing. How much are you labeling or judging other women, which doesn't give you the freedom to show up as you? Because if you have a judgment of somebody being a loose character, somebody drinking, how much, if you desire to drink, you will not give yourself permission to drink because you have a judgment about that? How much do we stop? I'm just giving you a very normal example, but go,
Right.
it's like when you're judging somebody for anything, how much that fear of judgment is in your universe, which doesn't allow you to choose that when you truly desire to choose that. It is the label. What will people think? What will the society think? So all the projection, expectation, separation, rejection, judgment the society has put on you as a woman, all the do's and don't the society has put on you as a woman, all the way you should, how you should dress up, how you should behave, how you should talk, where you should be, with whom should you be, how you should live your life, everywhere you resisted and reacted, or agreed and aligned, either which ways bought it as yours. Can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short birds and meal. And can we now free ourselves and all those people from this projection on the count of three? What I will
Yeah.
ask you is tap the energy. If you don't know, just tap the energy. And when I say 1, 2, 3, just flow it like this. 1, 2, 3, just flow it like this. So get the energy of all the labels that the society has put on women, on all the women across lifetime, space, dimension, not only India, everywhere is the same. The energy of being a woman, how you need to behave, how you need to be, what you can do, what you cannot do, what is under your scope, what is not under your scope, and all those lifetime where you were a man and you tamed the woman just like that. Get the energy of all that. And now can we release all of it on the count of three, please? 1, 2,
Yeah. 1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3, 1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3,
1, 2,
1, 2, 3,
2,
1, 2,
3.
3,
1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3,
2,
1, 2,
3.
3,
2,
4.
3.
Now on the count of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 for a
3,
different
4.
reality. So what is the fear you have as a woman?
Here you have
Yeah, what you feel you cannot be, what you feel that you have to be as a woman. What is the job description? All the job description you've taken on yourself that you have to do because you're a woman, which doesn't give you freedom to really ask yourself question and choose what would you really like to do. Everything that
yeah.
doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, receive. That can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create all times a gazillion? Right,
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short birds. I mean, how many times when you're born, people say, "Hey, whoa, you're a girl. Now a good guy will come and you have to marry, you have to settle house, you have to." So all the job description, the moment you're born as a girl, is kind of given to you. What if you want to wear pants and work, and I don't want to take care of the house? My husband, I can have a husband who loves taking care of children and kids. Why can't that be a role reversal? But how much that is like a, when you have that, how much is a judgment? It's like you're judging, you're doing something opposite, which is not allowed. Who says it is not allowed? Who gives the job description? Did somebody ask me what would I really like to do? How would I like to create my life? The moment you're born, because you're a girl, you're given a doll. Play with a doll. Hey, did you ask me, do I like a doll or do I like a car? But how much do we follow that norm and start by default setting? It is there. By default setting, you give that thing to your daughter. You need to adjust. You need to understand. Men never understand. This is your job. So knowingly, unknowingly, all the job description that your mother has given to you to make you feel secured, to make you feel protected, whatever her agenda has been. But she has given you, she have pasted that on you. So everything your mother has given to you, the advice, the time you were born, and everywhere you are fighting for and against, everywhere you go into the wrongness of you because you don't desire that. And everywhere it becomes a struggle to choose something that is, you're choosing against your mom, you're choosing against your family, and all those feeling of wrongness that you have logged into your body, into your molecular, physical, and energetic level of your body. Can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create at all times a gazillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short buzz, all the default settings you have by which you are creating your life. Can you actually get present and ask, hey, what do I really desire? If there's no gender, if I'm not a man, if I'm not a woman, what would I really desire to have as my life? Because when you let go the gender and you ask what would I really desire to have in my life, you'll have a clarity. Because right now you're choosing based on gender. Knowingly, unknowingly, there's a division. There's a very separate division. Oh, I can't have this because this is beyond my reach. I cannot. And everywhere you have concluded, if you're ambitious wives, your family will suffer. Can you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short version. If nobody asks the men, why are they so late for the meeting? Why do they work so hard? Why it is being implanted on a woman's universe? Just because you give birth, so you should be given double credit because you're taking the extra hard work of delivering a child, which men is not capable of. Hey, I'm not being gender biased. In case if there's some men here, it's nothing to do, because those lifetime where you have a woman, you may have been a woman. So okay, let's ask, how many lifetime all you women were a man? Just get a number. What comes? If you get a number, how many lifetime were you a man? Okay, time's up. Because now you're going into your head. How many lifetime were you a woman? Okay, all those men on the call, how many lifetime were you a woman? Okay, how many lifetimes were you a man? So we have
one.
Great. It may be any. We have multiple lifetimes, right? So in this lifetime, we chose to be a woman. You have other lifetimes where you chose to be a man too. So your points of views from those lifetime still very much applicable in this lifetime unless we let go. So it's not a gender thing. It has to be like, if there's no gender, why? Because men's job is given what? Hey, your job is you have to keep your family happy, you have to earn money, you have to do. But he's like, really, I need to go out in the world and really do work? But I like babies, I like to play with babies. Can I just do that? And how much they made wrong, how much of a title of a CC guy, oh, such a sensitive guy, he's not strong. It's all given. And how much of a label of emotions given to you. You're so insensitive. Oh my God. How can you be a mother? You're so insensitive towards, you're so strong-headed, you're so stubborn. All the labels because you decide to have a career. So everywhere, all those labels in the name of feelings have been planted and implanted in your universe. And everywhere you're creating your life based on that. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create, and let it go for now and all eternity? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short version. Yeah. Because those who are single, it will be very clear for you. What do you desire? Do you desire to get married? Yes or no? What if just because you're a woman, your clock is ticking? You should get married because your clock is ticking, then you will not have good sperms. You'll not have a good baby. You should get married now. But do you ask yourself, hey, do I want a relationship? I don't want a relationship. Do I get a freedom to just live the way I would like to live without the name of relationship? But how much it's like, it's a label. Oh my God, she's so loose. How much labels? Oh, you've given too much freedom to your daughter. See, this is how she's turned out to be. And if it's in a boy, yeah, the girl must be wrong. Why those labels that somebody has to be wrong? So everywhere you're fighting not to be wrong, everywhere you're fighting to run away from those labels which doesn't allow you to show up as you at every moment of your life. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short versions. Hey guys, I really don't mean that you go back to your family and your husband and says, hey, I am womanly liberated now. I have learned that you are sabotaging me. I don't mean that. Here it's like, hey, how much fun can I have and co-create with my partner if there's no gender bias? What space can I give to my partner and what space can I have? Because if you are operating your life as if you're suppressed with something, what are you unwilling to do that you feel I could have done? Like all these years, I had an anger, like just because I am a woman, I was not allowed to work in an advertising agency because I came late. My in-laws, my parents, everybody had a problem with it. So I was like, oh my God, being a woman is so bad. You cannot have a freedom to live your life. Where the man goes 2 o'clock, nobody calls and check whether he has come home or not. So how much of those grudges are you still holding against you, your family or your parents? That because of them, you could not show up in your life. So my question is, after knowing, I'm like, hey, I created it. I could have handled it. But I use their excuses to blame them and then create my life. So how much are you blaming your parents or your loved ones or your husband or your partner, whichever insignificant partner, male, female you have, for not allowing you to show up in your life? Everywhere you're blaming them, which means that you are not in your driving seat. Somebody else is driving your car. Can you give that blame, shame, regret, guilt, all the distractor implant which you're using to create your life and living? Can you give that up now, please? And all those energies holding that in place, spoken, unspoken, can you now let go of your system, please? Right and wrong, good and bad, bottom pork, all nine short buzzing. Because how many of you do what you really want to do? If you desire to do, nobody can stop you. Yes or no? So when you're making somebody an excuse for them not helping you, then you have to ask, did I really desire, or I was waiting for some excuse to get out of this system? Because then I can blame somebody, because of this person, I cannot have this. How much do we like it? And everywhere you're unwilling to use womanhood to your advantage. See, if people can put labels, there's a lot of advantage of being a woman also. Do you smile, people, you get your work done. You say, please, pretty, please, and work is done. Why will you not use it? Why you have to prove that you are strong? Why you have to prove that you have strength? It is because you have a judgment about being weak. You have a judgment about people seeing you just for your beauty. Hey, I have a beautiful body. Why will I not take advantage of it? And how many of you don't like when people look at you? Can you raise your hands, unmute, or say whatever, because I don't know. Who doesn't like?
I feel uncomfortable sometimes, but I like it a lot, but I feel uncomfortable at certain times.
So you like it a lot. So can you admit that you like it because your body would like to be lusted after? Our bodies like, see, that's the reason we get dressed. Hello, guys.
Yes.
But you have a projection. A certain category of people, as per my point of view, should look at me. Not all.
Yes.
But hello, if you're a tree, anybody can have any comment. It's a beautiful tree. It's an ugly tree. I feel like shagging the tree. I feel like peeing on the tree. Tree has no point of view. So why would you have? It's their point of view. It's not yours. But how much can you perceive that energy, that sexualness? And everywhere you've decided that if you receive the sexualness or the lust that people put on you, on your body, that means that you're giving them a sign that you're ready to copulate. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short versions. Because that is the fear that people instill on us the time we were growing up. Hey, don't laugh so much. Don't do. People will think that you are easy. People will think you easy. People will give you labels that you can do anything. And that's the fear we are fighting, which doesn't allow us to just be us. If I have a beautiful body, I'll explore. How much do you, okay, if you have a beautiful car, do you flaunt it or do you hide it and put it in the cover? Or you take it around? You take it around, you flaunt it because you have it. So why won't you flaunt your body because you have it? Whatever shape size it is yours. I am happy. This is me. Why will you cover it and label it? Oh my God, if somebody sees, okay, I can't be seen like this. I can't be seen like that. So everywhere, if you start seeing yourself as a tree or something which is so beautiful and have point of view, how will you walk in your day-to-day life? How will you deal with people? How will you meet with people? Will you have your barriers or a label? Oh, I can't do this because I'm a mother. I can't do this. How, what will my husband think? I can't do what will my in-laws think. I can't do what my mother will think. I can't do this, what my boyfriend will think.
I
So-
often have this, people are going to look at me and say, she's nuts, she's behaving like a child at her age.
So, okay, truth, are you nuts? Yes or no?
I am, but
So
I
if
don't know why
somebody
I
says
feel
a
very
flower, a
conscious.
flower. So if you are nuts, it's like your unwillingness to acknowledge that, yeah, I am nuts. It's like you have a judgment of you being nuts. Because if somebody says, hey, she's a flower, flower will be a flower, man. I can't say flower become a bus. So what judgment do you have of being a childlike? What is that judgment that you have? Everywhere you've decided now you're grown up, whatever your age is, you cannot behave like a child, you cannot be like a child. But you know what? Being a child is the biggest freedom that you can give, because child doesn't compute. Child doesn't equate. What is a give and take here? Who is looking at what? Child is just free to blossom with their energy. They are willing to be a catalyst in everybody's universe by their energy. Why so wrong to be a child? It's a gift, it's a power. Just it's the same thing. Because I can't give myself permission to have fun and you're having fun, I will judge you. Why are you having so much fun? It gives you a window of where this person is operating, and just be an interesting point of view and say, hey, how much can I tease him more with my fun? Boil them more so that they can
Okay.
choose something different, or they can just go away.
All right. Thank you.
So what other labels do you have about women? I think you have to unmute and say, I have stopped, I'm tired pulling up from your heads. What is about women that you feel injustice? Like how many of you have actually made your vagina wrong? How many of you have like problem like fibroid, cyst, things like that? Because somewhere you hate being a woman.
Yes, I have.
So Hema, how do you love being a woman? Do you hate being a woman? Or you feel being a woman is a problem?
I sometimes hate being a woman.
Hmm?
I sometimes hate myself being a woman.
So when you hate yourself, what you're doing, you're hating your biggest part which describe you as a woman, that is your vagina. Because that is the only way with you. So what are you saying? You are so, I'm so wrong to have you. I'm so wrong to have you. If this is the thought that you give it to your child, does the child love you, or the child feels that, oh, my mom doesn't love me, and will run away and will think that she's the reason for your unhappiness? So the vagina, when thinks that she's the reason for your unhappiness, what will it do? It will create problems so that you have to take it out, so that it can then it can be removed from your body. So what if being a woman is not a wrongness? Women are warriors. So all the projection, expectation, separation, rejection, judgment, all of you have put on yourself about being a woman. Can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate all times of Gazelle? Right and wrong, good and bad, fun, pop, all nine short button, all the labels you have put on yourself, on your bodies. Can you not destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, fun, pop, all nine short button. How many of us feel, oh my God, periods, oh my God, again? Not again. And it's a problem, because you feel that it takes away. But what if it doesn't take away, and then you have a problem when you miss your periods? You're like, shit, yeah, my periods are not coming, my periods are not coming. You hated something, hey, I don't want you, I don't want you, I don't want to come to you. And when it doesn't come, then you're like, why it's not coming? But whose lies, what lies, and how many lies have you bought? That being a woman, you cannot do a certain thing with them, which a male can do. Everywhere you agreed and aligned, resisted and reacted, and creating your bodies based on those points of views. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, PON, POC, all nine short button. And when you get into this, oh my God, I don't like my body, ask, is it mine or someone else? Because we can perceive people's feeling. If they are projected, oh my God, what a body she has, and all of a sudden from happy to angry, or from happy to sad, you have to ask, is it mine or someone else? Am I picking up somebody else's Wi-Fi antenna where they are not liking themselves?
Yeah, it's exactly someone else's point of view, and I'm owning that, and I'm working through my life all the time on that point of view.
So see, the thing is, you cannot change something which is not yours? Can you clean the thing which is not on your shirt?
Yes.
No. So when something is not yours, you cannot change. You can keep working, it doesn't shift. So everywhere, all those points of view, thoughts, feelings, emotions, you have bought as yours. Can you now destroy and create it all? With which you are
Yes.
creating your body. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short business. And now can you return to whoever it belongs to? With a lot of love, light, consciousness attached. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short business. Hema, the question is, does your mom like herself or her body? Truth.
No.
How much are you mimicking her?
100%.
So it's like she's already there. One of your mom is already in the world. We don't the other one. We don't need the clone. So can you be you rather than being cloning someone else? So everywhere all of you are biometrically mimicking your mom's pattern with body, with life, with reality. Can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short buttons. What will happen if you show up as you? How will you then look at your body? How will then you look at your relationship? How will you then look at your world? If you just show up as you and not like anybody else.
Thanks for this, Suruchi. I was not knowing about this point.
It's because we don't know. And that the best thing is we're so good at cloning. Duplicate, but don't duplicate their life. If you like something, please duplicate. If I like the way I like the fun energy you be, I'll say, hey, universe, can I have this fun energy? But in my way. But when I say, hey, I would like to be her, if I'm liking to be Hema, so I have to have your pain, I have to have your suffering, I have to have your problems, I have to have your points of views, I have to have everything about you. I'm not interested. Then where am I? Then I'm becoming someone else. And I don't choose to become someone else. I'm very happy being me. So all of you who are trying to be someone else in your relationship, in your life, in your creation, can you give up being someone else? Knowingly, unknowingly. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short business. And will you now give yourself permission to show up as you, just as you? The good, the bad, the ugly you. Not only the good, you can allow yourself the bad and the ugly you also to show up. What will happen? Because when you're trying to be someone else because you don't like certain aspect of you, that's the reason you're trying to become someone else. What if you can like you in totality? Because when you like yourself in totality, then only the world will like you in totality. If you have a judgment of you, people will pick that judgment from your space and give it to you. So what does it say? Are you willing to acknowledge and accept? Because you have a problem, people don't accept me the way I am. People only find faults in me. People say I'm fat. People say I'm too aggressive. How much of that judgment is yours? How much you don't like yourself with that? Because when you have that in space, people pick it up and give it to you. Because okay, let me simplify. The day you're thinking, oh my God, I'm looking so fat in this dress, I'm looking so fat in this dress, and you go out and people say, hey, have you put on weight? And you're like, see, I so knew. Everybody's noticing now. But why are people noticing that? Because that is on your forehead. That is the only signboard in your forehead, and people can only read the signboard and nothing else. So if you judge yourself, if you hide yourself, that is the signboard which people will pick up. Where have you decided that you're not good enough for the world the way you are? Everywhere you concluded, everywhere you judged that you're not good enough for the world the way you are. Can you give up all your thoughts, feelings, emotions, no thoughts, no feelings, emotions, sex, no sex, which is holding this in place? Can you let go of it? Now and all eternity, all of you. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine short business. What energy, space, consciousness, choice can me and my body be to be my own lover for all eternity? What if you can become your own lover? Lovers don't judge, right? Lovers like spend half an hour, they will all full of praises and everything. What if you can be your lover for all eternity, where you can let go the judgment? If you say the lover, I'm so fat, he'll say, oh, I have more to love you because he's my lover, not my husband right now. What if you can just be your lover and not be your husband or your brother or your sister? Because that will be a critic. Because I love you, I have to criticize you because you have to become perfect. Lovers are like, I have spent 1 hour, I don't want to get into judgment of you, I'll just love you. So be your lover rather than being your mom, dad, sister, whoever you're trying to be and rectify you. What, you don't need any rectification. You're perfect the way you are. You're lovable the way you are. With your curves, with no curves, with flat boobs, with more boobs, with more hair, less hair, whatever it is. And why will you not appreciate being a woman? So everywhere you're unwilling to appreciate being a woman, can you let go of that? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short bajmiya. Everywhere you bought that it's a lie, that you're cursed. Being a woman is a curse. Can you let go of that? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short bajmiya. There's a chat, there's a question. No, somebody raised hand. I think so. Somebody raised hand. Whoever is raising hand, can you unmute and please say, I can't see who it is because I saw raised hand. Okay. Anybody has any question, you can unmute and say, guys. Oh, Mehak, it was by mistake. Great. So what is the fear of a woman, or what about women that you fear so much that you want to be a man? Why you want to be a man? How many of you want to be a man? Wish you were a man. If you want to be a man, you wish you were a man. How many of you? You will. Okay, nobody? Great.
I used to.
I have.
Used to.
You have. So what can men do that you can't do?
Freedom to do, go, like you said, to go out whenever, as and how, and
Okay, so
sometimes have a back support. It's amazing how all of us as women become a back support, and it's along with you in all the classes that I've learned how to be my own support now.
great, but then the thing is, why you think men has freedom and you don't have? What is that point of view? What they get to do that you can't get to do is my question.
I feel very inhibited and scared about going out in this city where I live. For an example, I just feel like I'm not going to be able to protect myself if I get abused, raped. Let me put those words out. It scares me. And
okay, where have you decided men don't get abused and men don't get raped?
well,
It
I don't
happens
hear
in both
about
the
it so
sides.
much.
It's
The
just
truth
that
is that.
women who's coming out, men's are not coming out so often.
Yes,
So
it doesn't come out. True.
So it is not a gender biased. If you become a male, you are still affected. You can still be raped. You can still be abused. So what is that?
Yes.
So everywhere you're using that as a reason and justification for not showing up as you and for not being what you desire to do. Can you give that up? Reason and justification up.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and cock, all nine short button. See, it's like it's a projection that the society and we put on people, that if you're a man you're safe, if you're a woman you're not safe, and all those labels, all the distractor implant of fear that has been implanted and explanted to you as a woman, which doesn't make you feel safe when you go out in the world, and all the energy supporting that. Can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short buzzing.
Yes.
It's just the labels that has been projected at you. So all the projection, expectation, separation, rejection, judgment the world has put on you, that you're a woman, you're not safe, you're not secure. It is not a woman's world, it's a men's world. And everywhere you agreed and aligned, resisted and reacted, and still bought it as yours. Can you all now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all
Yes.
nine. What is one thing that you think, because if you would have been a man, you would have done things differently? What is that? Because you wanted to be a man. So what is that? A man can do, a woman can't do, as per you. That you wanted to be a man. I wanted to be a man because I felt my mother liked my brother more. So I thought it was gender bias. So for her love, I thought if I would have been a boy, she would have loved me. But then you realize
Yeah,
it
I
was,
think my father didn't. My father never. I mean, he always said he loved me, but all the attention, even on his deathbed, went to my brother. It wasn't me. No matter how much I was there,
Okay.
It was never me.
Okay, now okay, imagine yourself as a boy. Okay, you're two boys. Okay, two boys. Now who is he giving you attention or he's still giving attention to him? Just get hypothetically, get to that energy.
Me.
You?
Yes.
So how much it's a restriction in a men's world? How can they? It's like how much we are raised with a difference between a man and a woman. That if you're a man, how you have to treat with your daughter, how much space can you give, how can you touch your daughter, how you cannot touch, how much formality it has to be maintained. The society has put on any male so that their level of affection or how they show affection is so different as how they will show affection to a guy, to other boy. And everywhere you think it was your fault because you are a woman, that's the reason he could not love you. And everywhere you've locked yourself with that feeling, the thoughts, that emotion, all of you. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, announce, destroy, and uncreate all times a gazillion?
Yes.
And wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine children. How many of us are guilty in charge? When we say woman, we say, hey, she's deal with delicacy, yaar. Don't be like a raffia. Don't be rough. Delicate. They are delicate. How much we put that you are delicate. We do. I have two boys. And when they're dealing with my niece, I say, hey, please go easy. Because it's ingrained in us. It is not about the power because men have more power. You need to acknowledge, yes, they have more physical strength, but you have mental, emotional strength. Why will you not use that? Who have told you that you need to only use a physical strength? If you are caught in a situation, what emotional strength can you use to get out of the situation rather than using physical strength? It's a conclusion. And how much of a conclusionary, how much you are not everywhere, how much you guys are not loving yourself because you felt rejected, because you felt you were rejected because you were a woman by your parents. And everywhere you're unwilling to love yourself, care for yourself, nurture yourself because of that rejection. And everywhere you're rejecting yourself because your parent rejected you. Can you now give that thoughts, feelings, emotion, no thoughts, feelings, emotions, everything that you're holding in your molecular, physical, and energetic level of your being, which doesn't allow you to have that level of intimacy with your own self, which you desire from others? Can you give that up now, please?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all lines, short words and beyonds. Anybody else why you want to be a man and you don't like women? And what are the do's and don'ts you can't do as a woman?
I have a different question. My name is Yamini and I have a
Yamini.
मैं अभी ज्वाइन की 2 मिनट पहले तो मुझे एक पूछना है कि अगर कोई बातें बहुत ज्यादा बचपन की हो तो कैसे करें? बचपन में कब आ गया, कैसे आ गया मालूम नहीं, लेकिन हाँ वहाँ ये तो था कि मेरे भाई को जाने मिलता है, मुझे नहीं मिलता, लड़का छेड़ता है मुझे, मेरे पापा मुझे मारते हैं। हाँ। लड़के को पीटना चाहिए ना। हाँ? और मेरे ऊपर मेरे पापा मुझे डांटते हैं, मुझे मारते, ठीक है उनका भाव अच्छा था, लेकिन मैं ये रियलाइज
बोला कि तुम घर से बाहर क्यों निकली, लड़का तुम्हें छेड़ा, तुमने घर से बाहर क्यों निकली, इसलिए आपकी पिटाई?
बस ऐसे ही करके, क्योंकि मैं ना फिजिकली मेरे एज से जल्दी मेरा बॉडी का ग्रोथ हो गया, मैं बहुत सुंदर लगती थी, मे भी ये सब रीजन रहा हो, उनका भाव बुरा नहीं हो, लेकिन मुझे बहुत, मेरे पापा ने मुझे कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में रखा, कॉन्वेंट बोले तो एकदम ही कॉन्वेंट है, ये गुजरात का कॉन्वेंट नहीं, एंड मुझे कोएड स्कूल में रखा, सब कुछ उन्होंने किया मेरे लिए, लेकिन अब कोई लड़का अगर मुझे छेड़ता तो मेरे पापा मेरे मम्मी बहुत ध्यान रखते थे, तो मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ती थी। ये अभी मैं इन दिनों महसूस कर रही हूँ, मैंने अभी एक्सेस बार किया है 2-1 महीना पहले, एंड रिसेंटली फाउंडेशन भी किया, तो ये मुझे अवेयरनेस आता है कि साला वो लोग का कारण अगर मेरे हाथ लग जाए मैं सबको
पिटाई करूंगी
सबको। और ये ठीक है कि अभी थोड़ा पापा के लिए दुख और गुस्सा बहुत कम हो गया, लेकिन मुझे मेरे पापा के लिए बहुत गुस्सा, जबकि उस वक्त है ना लोग नहीं देते हैं ऐसे, हम लोग मारवाड़ी हैं, हम लोग के हिसाब से अंग्रेजी स्कूल में नहीं देते हैं, एंड वो भी इस तरह के क्रिश्चियन, पूरा क्रिश्चियन स्कूल में, और बॉयज वाला कोएड वाला में तो बिल्कुल नहीं देते।
लेकिन मैं डायमंड की केज में रखा, लेकिन डायमंड के केज में रखा,
वो ये नहीं समझ पाए पूरी तरह।
अच्छा,
तो मुझे अभी यही जानना है कि अभी मेरा गुस्सा तो कम हो गया है पहले से, मेरे विचारों में फर्क हो गया, लेकिन है कहीं ना कहीं। दूसरा मुझे ये जानना है कि मैं मेरे हस्बैंड से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, बहुत, लेकिन सारे उस प्यार में एक गड़बड़ ये हो गया कि मैं वीक हो गई, सब मैं कर रही हूँ पर मुझे फील हो रहा है प्लम्बर को भी मैं बुला के काम कराई, पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है
यामिनी आप चले गए।
तो ये प्लम्बर काम करेगा। ये आते हैं जो बहुत मायने रखती है। काम मैं कर रही हूँ, करवा मैं रही हूँ, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग होता है। एंड एक चीज और है कि मुझे सर्विक्स में फाइब्रॉइड है।
जाओ यहाँ से, जाओ जाओ, भारत बुला रहे, जाओ।
तो यूट्रस में कुछ फाइब्रॉइड है, उतना रिस्की नहीं है, लेकिन सर्विक्स पे है जो थोड़ा है अभी भी। एंड डॉक्टर्स बोल रहे हैं ऑपरेशन के लिए।
यामिनी एक चीज बताऊं मैं आपको, जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, अगर मैं यहाँ पे जितने लोग हैं, मुझे नहीं पता एग्जैक्टली अभी कितने लोग हैं, 27 लोग हैं, उसमें से 15 लोगों को अगर आप जेन्युइनली अलग से फोन करके बात करोगे ना, तो सबकी स्टोरी ऐसी होगी, मोर और लेस, आगे पीछे थोड़ा बहुत कम बेसी होगा, सबकी स्टोरी ऐसे होगी। क्योंकि आपको फ्रीडम तो मिला, लेकिन आपको एक्सप्रेशन नहीं करने दिया। फ्रीडम मिला बट सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन की मैं कैसे जाना चाहूँ, मैं कैसे बाहर जाऊं, वो एक्सप्रेशन करने के लिए रोक दिया। जब आपको कोई छेड़ता है तो ये नहीं बोलते क्योंकि सबके साथ हुआ है, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है। इट्स लाइक मेरे जब छेड़ते थे तो मेरे भाई बोलता था कि तुमने कुछ गड़बड़ किया, तुम कपड़े, बिकॉज मुझे कपड़े मैं अपने हिसाब से पहनती हूँ, बोले तुम्हारे कपड़े छोटे थे इसलिए ये वो, ऐसे। अच्छा ठीक है। तो एक दिन मैं सलवार सूट पहन के गई, फिर एक लड़का जा रहा था साइकिल चलते चलते, वो गिर गया। मैंने कहा अब बोल, अब किसने किया, मैंने किया या उसने किया? अभी तो मैं पूरे ऊपर से नीचे तक कवर्ड हूं। तो ये एक सोच है जो जनरेशन टू जनरेशन आती है कि आप किसी को इतना प्यार करते हो कि उसको बचाने के चक्कर में आप उसकी फ्रीडम ले लेते हो।
हाँ।
तो लेकिन आपने फ्रीडम लिया, पर आपने ये नहीं देखा कि उसको क्या चाहिए था। उसको वो केज लगने लगता है कि मैं, बिकॉज मैं लड़की हूँ इसलिए मैं नहीं कर सकती, बिकॉज ये लड़की हूँ, बिकॉज मेरी ये जो शरीर है ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल है जिसके कारण मेरे पापा मुझसे गुस्सा हो रहे हैं। तो आप अपनी बॉडी को कहीं ना कहीं कर्स करने लग जाते हो कि भैया ऐसा क्या सुंदरता है या ऐसी क्या बॉडी जिसके कारण मैं बाहर खेल नहीं सकती या मैं वो सब नहीं कर सकती जो एक लड़का कर सकता है। तो जब आप ये ग्रज लेके बैठते हो तो क्या होता है, जो धीरे धीरे वुमेनहुड क्या है, आपकी ब्रेस्ट है, आपकी वजाइना है, जो आपको डिफर करता है कि आप आदमी हो या औरत हो। तो वहां पे हम प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करने लगते हैं, और जो एंगर है वो आपने अपने अगर वजाइना में लॉक कर लिया है तो वो फाइब्रॉइड्स की तरह बन जाते हैं, बिकॉज एक गांठ बन जाती है कि जिसके कारण वो फ्लो जो है उसमें प्रॉब्लम होती है। तो जब वो गुस्सा आप रिलीज करोगे, बट बहुत बार हम सोचते हैं कि यार मेरे फादर है, अगर हमको अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करना कि वो किस स्पेस से ऑपरेट कर रहे थे, यार मुझे तकलीफ हुई, वो किसी भी ऑपरेट से कर रहे हो, बट अभी के लिए कि मैं अपने आप पे, अपने इमोशंस पे फोकस कर सकूं। तो इसके लिए जब हम ये करने लगते हैं तो जो भी अंदर में जो पेंटअप गुस्सा है, जब तक उसको नहीं खाली करोगे तो दूसरे इमोशन कैसे डालोगे? अगर आपका कबर्ड पूरे कपड़े से भरती है और वो सारे कपड़े से भरती है जो आप पहनते ही नहीं हो, ठीक है, लेकिन आप नए कपड़े लाके नहीं रख सकते क्योंकि स्पेस नहीं है, तो आपको पुराने कपड़े निकालने पड़ेंगे। वैसे आपको सारे वो पुराने इमोशंस पहले निकालने पड़ेंगे सो दैट आप अपने आप से कनेक्ट कर पाओ, आप इंजॉय कर पाओ अपनी बॉडी को, आप इंजॉय कर पाओ अपनी वुमेनहुड को। और प्रॉब्लम यह है कि प्लम्बर की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ना कि काम करने की प्रॉब्लम है। कहीं ना कहीं हमको लगता है कि हम कुछ वर्दी नहीं है, हम बस यही काम करने के लिए रह गए हैं, ये छोटू पुटू घर का काम सब करते हैं और कोई एक्नॉलेज नहीं करता। अगर आप ये एक्नॉलेज करो कि आप जो वुमनहुड हो, आपकी जो एनर्जी है, चाहे आप बाहर काम कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे, पर आपकी जो एनर्जी है, आप वो ऐसी ट्री हो जो पूरी फैमिली को सपोर्ट कर रहा है, और जो फ्रूट्स बाहर आ रहे हैं वो आपके कारण आ रहे हैं, बिकॉज आप वो रूट हो। तब वो प्लम्बर का प्रॉब्लम हो या नई प्रॉब्लम हो, बॉदर नहीं करेगा। जो एक्नॉलेजमेंट आप बाहर से वेट कर रहे हो कि कोई आपको दे दे, अगर वो आप एक्नॉलेजमेंट अपने आप को देना चालू करोगे तो आप देखोगे वो रिलेशनशिप और उसमें और मिठास आ जाएगा। यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं हल्का कड़वाहट है कि यार ये फालतू काम मुझे क्यों देते हो, दूसरा काम दो ना, सिर्फ घर का काम इधर उधर इसको बुलाओ उसको बुलाओ, मैं भी बाहर जाके कर सकती हूँ, मैं भी ये कर सकती हूँ। वो क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि वो चाइल्डहुड में रूटेड है। जब आपको बराबरी का दिया कि भाई कोएड में हो, लेकिन बराबरी नहीं दी, क्यों? क्योंकि अगर भाई को किसी लड़की का फोन आया तो उसकी पिटाई नहीं हुई, पर मेरे को आया तो मेरी पिटाई हुई कि भैया क्यों फोन आ रहा है तुम्हारे लिए। तो वो जो मेन और वुमेन का डिफरेंस है वो आपने जब चाइल्डहुड में लॉक कर लिया, तो जब आप अभी शादी के बाद रिलेशन कितना भी अच्छा हो, बट जब वो आता है तो वो वापस आप 2 साल 4 साल 6 साल की वो लड़की बन जाते हो जहां पे आप बोल नहीं पाए थे। तो वो ग्रज आप अभी भी होल्ड कर रहे हो. जब हम वो ग्रज निकाल दें कि ठीक है, इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दे हैड अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दे हैड अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, और जो एंगर है उसको आप अपनी सिस्टम से निकाल दो. पूरा अलग अलग तरीका है निकालने का. अगर आप उसको निकाल दो तो आप हॉलो हो जाओगे. उसके बाद आप अपनी स्पेस में वो एनर्जी फील करो जो आप चाहते हो कि आप फील करना चाहते हो. हैप्पीनेस, जॉय, ईज. जब आपकी ट्री में वो एनर्जी हो जाएगा तो आपके जितने भी फ्रूट्स हैं, जितने भी कनेक्शन है, चाहे फादर से, हस्बैंड से, उसमें वो एनर्जी फ्लो करेगी. अभी एनर्जी एंगर और ग्रज की है, तो चाहे नहीं चाहे फिर भी वो आता है, बिकॉज वो है अंदर. वो पस है तो है. जब तक पस नहीं निकलेगा वो वुंड हील नहीं होगा. और उसमें सही और गलत की कोई बात नहीं है. और उसको जस्टिफाई नहीं करेंगे कि उन्होंने उस स्पेस से किया या नहीं किया. यहाँ पे खाली ये था कि भाई मेरे को किसी को रॉन्ग नहीं बनाना, बट है प्रॉब्लम यार. मैंने हक मांगा, आपने मुझे थप्पड़ दिया, क्यों? मेरे को उस चीज का गुस्सा है. और वो चीज का गुस्सा मेरे सारे रिलेशनशिप पे हो रहा है. उस चीज के गुस्से के लिए आप अपने बच्चे को भी, या अगर लड़की होगी तो उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए या तो एक्स्ट्रा करोगे उसके लिए, या एक्सट्रीमली अपनी मॉम की तरह बिहेव करोगे, नोइंगली अननोइंगली, एंड यू विल बी लाइक, ओ मैं अपनी मॉम बन रही हूँ पेरेंटिंग में.
ओके.
एंड क्यों? क्योंकि इतना वो इस एनर्जी को जज किया कि कब इम्बाइब कर लिया वो एनर्जी पता भी नहीं चला. तो आप अपनी मॉम बन जाते हो सिचुएशन में. तो अगर प्रेजेंट हो गए, बोलोगे ओके, इफ आई वाज ट्रूली बीइंग मी, अगर मैं ट्रूली मैं हूं तो मैं इस सिचुएशन को कैसे डील करूंगी. तो ये टूल से प्ले करो. इफ आई वाज ट्रूली बीइंग मी, हाउ विल आई act here, what will I do here, what will I be here. You will be a different energy, you will do a different act. If I was truly being me. And when you're running your bars, जितना जो अंदर का भड़ास है, बोलते जाओ बोलते जाओ बोलते जाओ, तो सारे पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू से वो रिलीज हो जाएगा. एक वो वे है. दूसरा ये चीज है, एंगर है, बॉडी में परसीव करो एंगर किधर है. नाउ टर्न इट अराउंड. उस एंगर को बोलो रिवर्स हो जाओ, 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 एंड नाउ पुश इट आउट 3 feet अवे फ्रॉम योर बॉडी. हल्का लग रहा है?
यस.
सो सी, ये और लिखो, फिर इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू करके वॉमिट कर दो. एक अदर वे है जो एक्सेस वे नहीं है, बट इट्स अ वे, इट्स कॉल्ड जिब्रिश. एक इमेजिन करो फादर को या तकिया को, और उसके जितना गुस्सा है लेके बोलना चालू करा. तो क्या होगा? आपने सुना नहीं आप क्या बोल रहे हो, तो आप अपने आप को जज नहीं करोगे, ओ मैं अपने फादर के लिए ऐसा क्यों सोच रही हूँ, मैं इसके लिए क्यों सोच रही हूँ. लेकिन जो बॉडी में अंदर सॉलिडिटी जो लॉक की है, एटलीस्ट वो रिलीज हो गई. मेरे बॉडी के सिस्टम से वॉमिट हो गया. जब हम ज्यादा खाते हैं, वॉमिटिंग करते हैं ना, हाथ डाल के, अरे यार बड़ा अनईजी लग रहा है, वॉमिट कर लेते हैं, स्पेस क्लियर हो जाता है. ये एक एनर्जेटिक वॉमिट है जिसमें आपको पता नहीं चला आपने क्या बोला, बट आपने सब निकाल दिया अपनी बॉडी से. तो जितना जितना करोगे, एक दिन में सारा एंगर शायद निकले ना निकले, बट डेली डेली करोगे, फिर आप वो स्पेस पीस का हो जाएगा. एंड फ्रॉम दैट स्पेस, दैट इज योर स्पेस, एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू क्रिएट.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
That says yes, we don't get the freedom to talk. Also, you are often said तुम चुप रहो. So that one, my question is, जिसको मेरे बात सुननी नहीं है तो मुझे उसको अपनी राय देनी ही क्यों है? So what will we say? Universe, send me those people who are happy to receive me, listen to me, what I have to say. Let them show up in my world. दीवार से सर पटक के क्या फायदा? खुद का खून निकलेगा, कोई फायदा नहीं है. Get your audience who is happy to listen to you, those audience who is happy to receive you, what you have to say, because each one of us have something which is very unique about us. Ask those people to show up in our life. हमको लगता है अगर हमारी फैमिली ने सुन लिया ना, पूरी दुनिया सुन लेगी. सॉरी, फैमिली कभी नहीं सुनेगी, क्योंकि फैमिली का काम है प्यार के नाम पे लिमिट करना. मैं बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, इसलिए तुमको बता रही हूँ, तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है, मत करना.
इवन मैं भी ऐसे ही करती हूँ मेरे बेटे
मैं
को.
वही तो बोल रही हूँ. तो
हाय राम.
हाय राम, मुझे फ्रीडम नहीं मिला, मैं उसको कैसे फ्रीडम दूं? मैं भी उसको प्रेयर, प्यार के नाम पे चपेट लेती हूँ ना, कंट्रोल, हम लोग को कंट्रोल अच्छा लगता है और हम लव के साथ कंट्रोल करते हैं. व्हाट इफ यू कैन बी ग्रेटफुल, if you can be grateful for your kids and you don't have to control them. बिकॉज आप क्या कर रहे हो, चाहे ना चाहे आप भी अपने मदर या फादर को मिमिक करके उनकी तरह बन रहे हो, उनकी तरह आपकी पेरेंटिंग स्टाइल हो रही है, क्योंकि हमने इतनी एनर्जी ऑफ हेट डाली कि ऐसा तो कभी नहीं करूंगी. आप वही करते हो.
एग्जैक्टली मैंने यही सोचा था कि मेरे लाइफ में जो मेरे पेरेंट्स ने जैसे किया, मैं अपने बेटे के साथ बहुत अच्छा करूंगी. एग्जैक्टली
बिकॉज आपने सी, जहां पे आप एनर्जी देते हो वो चीज ग्रो करती है. आपने वो नेगेटिव में इतनी एनर्जी ग्रो दी कि चाहे ना चाहे वो आपका, आपने उसको इम्प्लांट कर लिया, अपने यूनिवर्स में डुप्लीकेट कर लिया वो एनर्जी. सो बाय डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग वो एनर्जी आ जाती है. डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग होती है ना कि हम लोग कितना प्राउड लेते हैं, मैं ना आंख बंद करके ना वहां जा सकता हूँ. मतलब एक सिंपल सा चीज है कि मैं तो कभी प्रेजेंट होऊंगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि मैं आंख बंद करके एकदम रोबोट की तरह चला जाऊंगा. उसको बोलते हैं ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर. आप अपनी लाइफ ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर से डील कर रहे हो. What's the value of living your life on an autoresponder? Why will you not be present at everything and perceive, know, be and receive from everything? So simple सा चीज है कि what energy can I be? एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, what contribution can I be to this person? सिंपल सा चीज है, ये क्वेश्चन पूछो. आप जैसे किसी से रिएक्ट करोगे to be very different. What contribution can I be to my son? What contribution can I be to my father? चाहे उसमें एंगर आए, चाहे उसमें इमोशन आए, हो सकता है वो एक कंट्रीब्यूशन हो. डोंट जज योरसेल्फ. Let the judgment out. And will you all give that label of being a good mother up, please, which doesn't allow you to be you? Right and wrong, good and bad, one pop, all 9%. All the labels you guys have to be a good daughter. Can you give that up, please? Right and wrong, good and bad, one pop, all 9%. All the medals you want to be a good wife. Can you give that label up also, please? Right and wrong, good and bad, one pop, all
Yes.
all the labels you have of being a good sister. Can you give that up, please? Right and wrong,
Yes.
one pop, all 9%. All the labels you have of being a good Indian human being. Can you give that up, please?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, one pop, all 9%. Because when you give a label, you set yourself to judge. Are you doing a good job or are you not doing a good job? So what are you doing? You're just judging yourself rather than doing anything. So it's the whole idea is to let go of the judgment. You have to give up your labels of who you decided you need to be in any relationship. So are you all willing to give that label up for now and all eternity?
Yes.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good and bad, one pop, all 9 short person beyond. Great. Any
Good dog owner also I give up.
Huh?
Good dog owner also I give up now.
Great.
Another one.
Great, great, great. It's a label.
Yes.
And what do you love about labeling yourself so much? क्या धनिया मिर्ची हो क्या लेबल करके चलते हो हर टाइम?
नहीं, बाय करा था ये लेबल, मैंने बाय करा था एंड
ये-
उससे मैंने अपनी लाइफ बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट करी है. सो आई
Great.
didn't
Stop
so
labeling yourself. You're not a product. You're not an apple. You're not a banana that you need to put a label. Otherwise, you'll forget who you are. It's like how many of us put kitchen labels? We'll forget what masala is this. We put the label, right? For easy. Stop labeling yourself. Give yourself permission to be anything. You don't have to be the same you every day. So can you give up that label which will help? Everywhere you labeling yourself, it will become life so easy. Is really making it easy, or it's taking the fun out of the life because you're doing the same routine again and again by being the same.
Actually, mundane
it
life.
puts pressure, unnecessary pressure.
Pressure.
But you love about something about it. That's the reason you label. Sorry, can't blame people. You have to blame yourself. You love something about you. That's the reason you love labeling yourself. The moment you meet a friend, you're like, yeah, I think we have a connection here. You label the relationship before it going further. First date, label. I think we have some connection. How much do you like living your life with labels?
Yeah, you conditioned that way, no?
So you can decondition yourself, na?
Yeah, deconditioning totally.
So
Totally,
that's-
Suruchi.
So
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Why
So
didn't you come in our life early?
Huh?
Why did you come so late in our life?
You ask for me late. That's the reason.
True.
Ask and you shall receive. Whenever you ask, people show up.
Yes, very true, very true. Learning so much from this, Suruchi. Indeed.
So are you all willing to give up all the labels that you're using to create a connection point with anybody and everybody?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, one fuck, all nine shorts, birds and beyonds. Yeah?
Yes.
So what else is possible, guys? What else is possible without the label?
Everything. Fun.
So what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility can you and your body
Live
be
for self.
to live without label for all eternity? Everything which doesn't allow you to have that as your reality. Can you guys now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and create it all times a gazillion?
Yes.
Bad, one pop, all nine short, birds and beyond. So any more question, guys? Run this clearing. Run this clearing. If you like to put labels, please run this clearing non-stop so that you can let go the labels that you keep putting on yourself. So what do you love about labels? Let go the labels. Anything, anybody has any question?
मुझे पूछना था कि आपका ये जो रिकॉर्डिंग है वो हमें मिलेगा क्या?
हाँ यामिनी जी, आपको ये रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर मिलेगा. आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर देना, मैं आपको भेज दूंगी क्योंकि आप मेरे
नंबर नहीं है मेरे पास.
मैंने
मैंने
आप,
आपको
आप,
मैसेज किया है.
आपने मांगा, मैंने प्राइवेटली उसमें ठीक नंबर दे दिया. तो आप लोग को मिलेगा, मैं अपने उसमें डाल दूंगी और मैं अपने YouTube चैनल में भी डाल दूंगी, तो आप कहीं से भी ले सकते हो. और अगर आपको लगे किसी और को फायदा होगा तो उसके साथ भी शेयर कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Okay.
I don't have your number.
Who is this? I will put my number here on the chat. Wait, sorry. Let me make it for everyone first. Everyone, yes.
और एक मेरे को एक ग्रेटिट्यूड है आपको भी, एंड एक और फ्रेंड है जिसने मुझे ये आपका दिया, और मैं नहीं ज्वाइन करने वाली थी, मैं कहीं और बिजी थी एकदम, लेकिन उसने मुझे बोला नहीं फाइब्रेट का करो करो, और उसका नाम भी मुझे नहीं मालूम, मैं उसे जानती भी नहीं हूँ, सिर्फ नंबर से वो वर्क करती है. तो
देखिए, सिर्फ प्लम्बर से वो वर्क करती है, तो प्लम्बर कहाँ कंट्रीब्यूशन हो?
नंबर से, वो सिर्फ नंबर है.
आई हर्ड प्लम्बर, आई थॉट वो प्लम्बर भाई कंट्रीब्यूट कर गया. तो ग्रैटिट्यूड जब आपको लिए
कई
सबके
बार तो मुझे प्लम्बर का अच्छा लगता है कि मेरे हस्बैंड चिल्लाते हैं, कम से कम वो चुपचाप मेरा काम करके जाता है. पैसे लिया, काम किया और गया.
तो इसीलिए जब जो चीज अच्छा लगता है हम उसको क्या करते हैं, हम उसको रिक्रिएट करते हैं लाइफ में. जब आप सिचुएशन को रिक्रिएट कर रहे हो, क्यों? क्योंकि वो आपको अच्छा लगता है. आप गुस्सा भी होते हो लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा लगता है, तो उसको चीज को रिक्रिएट कर रहे हो. तो ये रियलाइज करो, आप रिक्रिएट कर रहे हो. अगर नहीं चाहिए तो दूसरा एक्शन लो, दूसरी चीज रिक्रिएट करोगे. ठीक है. और दूसरी बात, जो ग्रैटिट्यूड है इस सबके लिए, हम दूसरों के लिए इतना ग्रेटफुल होते हैं. आर यू ऑल विलिंग टू बी ग्रेटफुल इन ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर यू हु यू आर, फॉर योर बॉडी व्हाट इट इज राइट नाउ, फॉर योर सिचुएशन वेयर एवर यू आर राइट नाउ? कैन यू बी इन ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर दैट? जब ग्रैटिट्यूड होता है ना, ग्रैटिट्यूड ऐसा सुपर पावर है, वो मेल्ट करता है लिमिटेशन को. पर हम दूसरों के लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड बहुत जल्दी बोलते हैं, हम अपने लिए नहीं बोलते. क्यों? क्योंकि अभी हम सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुए ना, अभी हमने $1 मिलियन नहीं कमाया, हम कोई हाई पोजीशन में काम नहीं करते, तो हम किस लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड करें? हम तो नॉर्मल हाउसवाइफ ही तो हैं. ये स्टूपिड रीजन एंड जस्टिफिकेशन है. जब आप अपने लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं रहोगे तो दूसरा आदमी आपके लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड कैसे रखेगा? आपका हस्बैंड कैसे ग्रैटिट्यूड देगा जो चीज आप खुद को नहीं दे सकते? तो यहाँ पे सारे लोगों को, इफ यू आर नॉट विलिंग टू गिव समथिंग टू योरसेल्फ, हाउ यू एक्सपेक्ट द वर्ल्ड टू गिव इट टू यू? First you have to give it to yourself. First you have to receive that from yourself, then you will allow yourself to receive it from others, whether it's love, whether it's praise, whether it's gratitude, whether it's money, anything. Sarita, if you're saying something, you're unmuted.
It is for self-love also, right?
It's
Self-love.
Self-love. What is self-love? It's a gratitude for self is self-love, because love has judgment, gratitude has no judgment. Because
Yeah.
love we are using to control. जैसे यामिनी जी ने बोला कि पेरेंट्स इतना लव करते थे, कोविड में भी डाला, सब कुछ डाला, लेकिन पिटाई भी हुई लव के कारण कि लड़के छेड़ते हैं, राइट? तो लव इज दैट अ कंडीशन. आई लव यू as long as you fulfill what I am asking you to do. The moment you
Yeah.
don't do, I don't love you, I hate you, you're so mean, you're a bad mother because you don't do this, blah 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 blah, you're a bad wife. But when you have
So
gratitude, you have no judgment. Gratitude is simple judgment. There's no scope of judgment.
that's what, yeah. So you have to be more of self-gratitude.
Yeah, the moment you become more gratitude, because then you will accept the good, the bad, the ugly about you. And
Yes.
then it's easier for people to receive you the way you are. How much do
Yes.
you judge that you give them a food to judge you that? That is a breadcrumb that you're giving it to them. Hey, take this crumb and throw it at me again. So you need to have a
Yes.
gratitude for yourself.
Yes. Yes.
And if you don't know, ask, hey, universe, can you show me what does gratitude looks like? What is a true gratitude looks like? And just put those barriers down and receive the gratitude. Because none of us know what gratitude is. We only know judgment. Very few people, I may say, will know a true gratitude because I don't know. Of late, I thought I knew, but I also don't know. I'm learning. And I'm asking universe, hey, universe, can you show me what is the energy of gratitude that will look like? And merge in that gratitude. Just melt in that gratitude, have no barriers, and see what it shows up. Gratitude for me, universe, can you show me how will that look like? Be like. The whole body gratitude. That I'm grateful for everything, for who I am today, for not who I'll be tomorrow, but who I am today. And with that space, if there's no question, I'll say a bye. See you guys.
एक क्वेश्चन और है
Thank you, Suruchi.
Yeah, yeah.
सुरुचि, एक क्वेश्चन जैसे देखिए अभी हम लोग फीमेल हैं, हम नहीं किए तो हमें ये चीज है, लेकिन कई बार मैंने देखा है कि बच्चे जो मेरे बेटे के एज के हैं अच्छे खासे थुलथुल है, मेरा बेटा भी अच्छा खासा एकदम गोल मटोल है, तो उनका कई बार क्या है ना, आवाज भी थोड़ा सा महीन होता है, एकदम फेमिन का माने लेडीज का आवाज नहीं होता है, लेकिन वो होता है थोड़ा, चेस्ट भी थोड़ा
बल्कि होता है हल्का, हाँ
थोड़ा, हाँ, तो उनके लिए भी कुछ क्लियरिंग देते हो?
जब उनके लिए है, अगर आप उसको बोलो कि अगर मैं बॉडी को रिसीव करूं जैसा बॉडी है, थैंक यू बॉडी, बॉडी के साथ कनेक्ट करो, बॉडी के साथ बात करो, हे बॉडी व्हाट विल इट टेक टू इंक्रीज आवर वॉइस, बिकम लाइक दिस, बॉडी लिसन्स। बट जब वो जजमेंट हटा देते हैं तो कोई दूसरा जजमेंट नहीं करता और वो चेंज हो जाता है।
ओके मैम। हाँ, अभी आप अच्छे दिख रहे हो, अभी आप पूरे दिख रहे हो, इतना देर से मैं ऐसे ऐसे करके दिख रही थी, आपका खाली यहीं तक दिख रहा था, एंड यू आर सो ब्यूटीफुल।
बिकॉज अभी किसी ने आके लैपटॉप को थोड़ा ठीक से कर दिया तो मेरा पूरा फेस दिख रहा है, अदरवाइज मैंने जैसे लैपटॉप को रखा मैं वैसे ही दिख रही थी।
एंड ड्रेस भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपका।
थैंक यू सो मच।
हाउ डज इट गेट एनी बेटर देन दिस?
ग्रेट। सो एनी क्वेश्चन एनीबडी हैज, or are we good to go? Great. Then I am.
See you at 3. See you at 3.
Yeah, I will see you at 3. I'm so grateful for all of you for joining in. Thank you. I have my number in case you don't have to. I'll send you the recording. Yeah. Thank you so much. See ya. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye, everybody. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you, everybody.